Okay, we are in my kitchen and I've got the Supra door card off. The goal for today is going to be replacing this armrest piece. I've got the new piece here from Japan. It's brand new, but it got dinged a little bit in shipping, but that's going to be on the bottom of the armrest and it's going to be covered by the bezel. So it shouldn't show up. It took me 3 weeks to get this thing from Japan. And I've just cleaned up my door card a little bit here with some rubbing alcohol and cleaning products. It seems to be the same material, like this kind of fake leather. It's a pretty good match. You can see right here, this piece has come delaminated, and it's really annoying since when you're using the car or driving the car, you're using this piece all the time. Every time you close the door, every time you put your arm down, etc. So getting this thing off is going to be pretty easy. There's some screws in the back. And this entire door card is basically just held on by screws and a couple of pop rivets, plastic pop rivets. So it's pretty easy. The only challenging thing is the top here, there's a metal rail that hangs on the door. And the trick is to roll down the window just about an inch or so, like on most cars, and that pops off if you give it a firm tug. There's a little bit of flaking, like looks like somebody tried to fix this in the past. I don't know if I'm gonna hit this with paint or not. Probably not. I think I'll just leave it. But yeah, this should be fairly quick. So I'm expecting the rest of the camber adjustment hardware to get here overnight. I ended up ordering from another place that amazingly looks like they were able to ship on time. I hope it comes tomorrow. I paid for expedited shipping, so I hope it comes tomorrow. If it does, then I'll have all the parts necessary to replace the subframe and have replacement camber adjustment hardware.
Okay, I may have a solution. I recently bought these Allen key screwdrivers. So let's see if this is going to fit. It looks like it should work.
Okay, there we go. Armrest is fixed. That should be covered up by the bezel. There's a little crease here, but 3 weeks from Japan. kind of a pain in the ass to order a new one, so it's much better than the old one, that's for sure. This thing's going straight into the trash. Alright, next video should be a little bit more exciting. Supra's going into the shop. We're going to be replacing the subframe and the alignment bolts. Hopefully getting an alignment on the car, and then it will be 100% roadworthy. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.